Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the exact steps you need to follow to enable app icon badges for topics notifications on the X app. If you want to make sure you never miss any important updates, turning on these badges is a simple but effective way to stay on top of what matters most. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Settings menu on your phone. This is where you'll find all the key system controls for apps, notifications, and permissions. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, you'll see a full list of every app installed on your device. Find the X app in the list and tap to open its settings. This is where you'll manage everything specifically related to how the X app behaves on your phone. Next, look for the option labeled Notifications. Tap on it, and inside this menu, you're going to see several categories of notification settings that the app can send. To help refine these, tap again on Notification Categories. Within this section, you'll now find an option called Topics. This is the category we want to adjust so that you can receive those little badge icons right on your app. Tap on Topics. Now, all that's left is to enable the app icon badges. You'll see a toggle switch here, simply turn it on, and you're all set. With this feature enabled, every time you get a Topics notification, a small number badge will appear over the X app's icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. That's it. You've successfully turned on app icon badges for topics notifications in the X app. This small tweak helps make sure you never miss an update that's important to you, since you'll see the badge the moment you glance at your phone. If you want to take it further, you can also explore other categories within notifications to customize the app even more to your liking. Staying on top of your alerts doesn't have to be complicated, and now you know exactly how to make these badges work for you.